British warships will enter the Black Sea in May amid rising tensions between Ukraine and Russia. The London military vessel's planned maneuver was reported by the newspaper, citing a senior local Navy source. One Type 45 destroyer armed with anti-aircraft missiles and a Type 23 anti-submarine frigate will lead the Royal Navy (RAF) carrier task group in the Mediterranean and head through the Bosphorus to the Black Sea. RAF F-35B Lightning stealth fighter jets and Merlin submarine hunting helicopters will be ready on ships under the HMS Queen Elizabeth aircraft carrier task force to support warships in the Black Sea. Tensions between Moscow and Kiev have risen amid a buildup of Russian troops along the border and clashes in eastern Ukraine between the army and pro-Russian separatists. A spokesman for the UK Ministry of Defence told the paper that the London government was working with Kiev to monitor the situation and continued to call on Russia to de-escalate tensions. Right now, we're taking the largest share of the military operations role over Iraq, which is fantastic, because it means two things, namely, we believe we can do that on the 65,000-ton carrier. This is the first time a British aircraft carrier has supported a military operation on the ground in more than 2 decades, and it reflects Britain's military prowess on a global scale. The carrier, explained Morehouse, offers Britain flexibility in carrying out military operations abroad. However, Morehouse stressed, the Russian and U.S. pilots, as well as his party, still uphold professionalism and respect each other. Captain James Blackmore, who commanded 8 British F-35 fighter jets and 10 helicopters aboard the carrier HMS Queen Elizabeth, said British and Russian pilots had met within sight of each other.